Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Get Guided Learning. In my today's video, I'm going to discuss about the Minifs, Max and Maxifs formula. It's a basic plus advanced formula. So let's start. I have a small table here which has a brand, discount band and units sold, number of units sold. Let's start with the min formula. Equal. As you know, every formula start with equal sign. Min, press the tab button. So the formula syntax is asking me for number 1, number 2, selecting the range in this way. Number 1, number 2, number 3. But you can see the syntax is appearing number 3, number 4, number 5 and so on. Rather than selecting the range in this way as it's very lengthy, let's select the entire range in one go. Just like this. Close parenthesis, press enter. You can see here 292 is the minimum value in this entire range. So 292 minimum units sold. Okay, now let's move on to the minifs function. So what is the difference between the min and minifs? Only difference is minifs also gives me the minimum value, but on the basis of the criteria or condition. Here you can see I have a condition. I need minimum value from this range for the Apple brand. Here I have Apple. This is my criteria here. So I need minimum value for Apple brand only. Let's apply the formula. Equal min ifs, press tab button or open parenthesis, min range. It's asking me for min range. So my minimum value exists in this range. So this is the min range. Criteria range 1. Apple criteria exists in this range. So criteria range 1 and criteria 1. This is my criteria and close parenthesis, press enter. Now 888 is the minimum value for the Apple brand. To cross check this number, let's apply the filter here. Apple brand and press OK. Here you can see 888 is the minimum unit sold for the Apple brand. So now let's clear the function. OK. Here I will apply the maximum formula. This is almost same formula. It just give me the maximum value. So write equal max, press the tab button or open parenthesis and select the entire range in one go and close parenthesis. Press enter. 2660 is the maximum value in this entire range. Let's apply the Maxifs function. Here is also the same difference. It will give me the maximum value on the basis of the criteria or condition. Here my criteria is Dell. I need maximum value for that Dell brand. Okay, so right here equal max ifs, press tab button, open parenthesis, maximum range. So my maximum number exists in this range. This is my max range. Criteria range 1. This is my criteria and this criteria exists in this range, comma, criteria 1. This is my criteria, close parenthesis, press enter. Okay, so 2518 is the maximum value for Dell. So let's apply the filter on the Dell brand. Here, press OK. And you can see here 2518 is the maximum unit sold for the Dell brand. Let's clear the function. So I have explained all the four formulas here. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon for latest updated videos. Very soon I will update my next video also. And till that time, get guided learning. Bye bye.